Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the no sound issue you're having on your PlayStation 4. So the first thing we want to do is to verify our settings. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top right and select settings right here. Then go on down until we get to where it says devices. Then go to audio devices right here. Now for input device, this will be your microphone. Make sure your headset is connected and selected under this menu. Then for the output device, this will be your speakers or your headset speakers. So right now it's coming through my TV or AV amplifier. If you're using a headset, make sure it is selected under here as well. Then also you have a volume control for your headphones right here. Make sure this is turned up and loud enough, otherwise you won't be able to hear anything. There should be some white little lines right here. Just turn it to the right and it should be turned up loud enough. Then you go to switch output device automatically right here. When you connect a new device, it will automatically switch from output device. So I'll go from your TV over to your wireless headset. You don't have to come into this menu to change it. Now we can back out of here and then go on down to sound and screen. Then under here we can go to audio output settings. And if you're using an HDMI cable for your sound or audio, make sure it's selected HDMI out. If you're using an optical, make sure it's selected optical. Then here's the audio format. We could try going to the different options under here, but most of the time linear PCM should be the option that works. So you also have Bitstream Dolby and Bitstream DTS. Now as a last resort, we can go on down to where it says initialization and go to restore default settings and just type in your passcode. The default one is 00000. Just press square 4 times and this will reset all the different settings on our PlayStation 4 back to the default settings. This will include all the audio, sound, and screen options as well. Now you will need to remember your email address and password to sign back in. So do this as a last resort if everything else doesn't work. But now let's go to power right here and go to turn off PS4. Now most of the time you're going to be having a problem with the HDMI cable, and that's the reason why you're not getting the sound. So go ahead and try a new HDMI cable, or take the PlayStation 4 end and plug it into the TV, and then take the TV end and plug it into the PlayStation 4. Otherwise you can experiment with like a little extender like this and plug it into the PlayStation 4 with one of these connected. Maybe there's an issue with your connection with the HDMI cable. Now plug everything back in and see if the audio works. Also make sure your TV isn't muted, so turn up the volume on here as well so it's up high enough, and you should be hearing your PlayStation 4 audio now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.